Hello everybody, this is my LEGO Slideout with floor lift prototype. Not really a prototype because I'm not going to use it. As you know before, I have released a video on the LEGO double sliding Slideout prototype on how it works and all that with floor lift, right? And then after that I made the LEGO Mobile Ninjago Monastery I recently released, and I hope you know how it works and how in action. And then making a normal RV with it, like slide out, not double sliding, just normal slide out. And then some of them have a floor lift. For example, some Class A's. On the big boy, on the main slide out, it has a floor lift, while the other slide outs that are small and they don't need floor lift. For example, the new Marking Air, the driver's side front slide out, it has a floor lift. So I know most of you wonder, how can I have a floor lift for this, right? So here I have it. This is a single sliding slider with floor lift, and as you can see, it's pretty simple. No sidewall, not sidewall. It's just normal like this. I left the bottom open because that's where the basement's gonna enter. And on normal luxury class A's, for example, new Marking Air, the cargo bays, it just kind of goes around the floor lift mechanism. Instead of, yeah, it just goes around, if you know what I mean. It goes around the mechanism. So here it is, instead of, this is going in, this is closed, and this is open. As you can see here, pretty simple, furniture is like that, and then it just lifts up, it's just 2-plate clearance. Yeah, here's the main wall. I think it's pretty simple, so, yeah. This is the single sliding slide out floor lift prototype, not really a prototype, it's just for you to see. And at a true minifigure scale, at a true minifigure scale, and this is the body wall is just 5 studs wide. So for some motorhomes you make Lego, it's 10 studs wide. So this is exactly half. And as you can see here, it perfectly fits half of it. It's just that this guide here, this mechanism here, not these are the guides, the wall guides, and these are the floor guides. So it's just this that pokes out. So yeah, that's really it. So thank you everybody for watching, and this is my LEGO Slide Out with floor lift